Alright guys, some time ago I made a video of how to save contact automatically on WhatsApp. But some people are saying that the method did not work on their device. Some are saying that the method worked on their device. So I did some research and I've created a video fix of how you can fix so that it will start working. So for those of you that haven't watched the part 1, this is the part 2 of the video. So the link of the part 1 is in the description and also is popping out now. So you can click on the part 1 to watch the part 1 so that you have a full understanding of how to set it up from the beginning to the ending. So as you can see, instead of searching and saving contact manually, I'm doing it automatically. You can see the bot will ask for the person's name and it's going to automatically save the person contact with the person's name without any stress, without any human intervention. All you have to do is just your WhatsApp to be on and your data to be on, so that message is going to be coming and you are going to be saving. We also offer services whereby we help businesses set up bots for their businesses so that you don't have to answer clients, or maybe if you are wasting money on customer service. So we can help you set up a bot to do all those things for you. If you have gotten to this stage or this point and it still refuses to work, this is what you are going to do. Head over to your AutoResponder, click on the rules. Now click on the 3 dots above. Now click on add label. Now highlight and copy this label. Copy, click on OK. Now go back. Now move over to open your tasker. Hold down this message, this AutoResponder message. Hold it down. Okay, this section. Yes, so hold it down. Once you hold it down, you see name. Click on that name. Now paste that what you just copied there. Click on OK. Now move over to tasker. Open it. Now click on the 3 dots here. Now click on them, paste the name that you just copied, and then click on OK. Now you can now move over back and press run it again. Click on the message, individual. Now add me up. Now I'll say Hoetechhack 001. Yes, sure, and it's going to work yet in that moment. Remember that we didn't add email. That is why it's showing this one. This is what is going to save as email, because email is not available here. So if you want to remove the email section, you have to delete this 6, 7. Yeah, pretty much these 5, 6, and 7. These 3, you have to delete it. This first one, 5, 6, 3 for the. So all this rule has its own specific function. So from 1, it starts the operation from 1, then 2, 3, 4 collects number, 5, 6, 7 collects email, as I said before, 8, 9, 10 collects the number, then 11 increases. If you want to disable any rule, all you have to do is just highlight those rules, highlight the rules. Okay, let's try with let's try disabling the email rule. Yeah, so we highlight the email rule. Yeah, okay, we highlight 5, 6, and 7 and click the power button, and we are going to disable the email rule. Now the same thing applies if you want to on it back. You highlight and on it back. So we have a rule 8, 9, 10 which handles collecting numbers, and then we have rule 11 which handles increasing the counting. So increasing counting in the sense that you have your brand name, then 1, your brand name, 2, your brand name, 3. If you disable it, it's not going to count. That's basically what rule 11 handle. So rule 12 send all these things to the contact task. So the number is collected from 2, 3, 4. The email is collected from 5, 6, 7. And the number is collected from 8, 9, 10. All these things will be sent, their number, email, and then the name. So, and it will all be saved to the email. So, but there is one intriguing thing. In this number 11, we can set the counting to start from any number. So all you have to do is just click on the variables, and then you can click on that number. You can set the number to count from any where you want. Now let's set this as 300 and do a test run. So we have set our number to start from 300. And then one thing again, you should know that assuming you clean this email, maybe you don't want to collect people's email, so the best way is not to just delete the email from the contact task. No, you have to disable the rule. Now we have deleted this email. Let's show you what happens and how it handles those errors. Now let's go back and start afresh from AutoResponder. So we are saying AutoResponder. Now we use save my contacts. Okay, save my contact. Yeah, we send it, and then it's going to reply asking us for a name, and then we're going to give it our name. And then remember, we said the rule to start from 300, so it's going to start from 301. So it's asking us for an email, so we now provide the email address. So we send, and then it's going to ask us to confirm if this is our email. We say yes, this is our email address. So now you see that it has saved our contact. I can see Hoetechhack TV 301, so it has saved our contact. And if we go to verify this, now let's verify and see what happens to this our email. Remember our email, and remember the number 77141. So note this down, because I'm going to go to my contact and verify if this actually saved the email after deleting the email from contact saver, and how it handles these errors. So now this is the contact, and then so this is the email, so this is the number, this is the contact that I've just saved. So we click on the contact and see 301, because we stopped at 300. So the next one 301. So as you can see, because we cleared the email, the application did not send any email to contact saver to save. So but the one that did not clear email, even when the email is not provided, is going to send out anything there for this thing to go down as the email. So now let's go back to the settings of these AutoResponder. Now on the settings, click on the three dots. Yes, once click on 3 dots, you get to see the settings there. If you click on the 3 dots, you can see settings. So click on the settings. Now there are so many things you can set here. For example, the WhatsApp version you are using, and then you can select if you have a closed version, and then there are so many other things you can set here. The settings that you can even set to delay a minute, read receipts. I don't know what this one means. I said this one is set to boot by default. Let me check if I can figure this out. So but if you know what this means, because I don't know what it means, so if you know what it means, so please help us and comment what it means in the comment section, so that we all are going to know what this means. So there are so many other rules here. For example, we have yeah, I don't know what this one means, so I'm going to go ahead and set it to individual. Yeah, so I've set this to individual, and then let me just say it in here because I don't know what it is. So we have so many other ones here. So we have the delay minute. If you want to delay your message minute, if you want to add header or footer, or want to lock your app. So one thing about delaying this thing in minutes is that some people may want to make sure that people do not think that okay, let's go ahead and unsubscribe. So I've selected the services I want to unsubscribe from Play Store. I'm going to hit the cancel subscription. So once I hit the cancel subscription, so you should be able to cancel the subscription. So okay, I will use this. I don't use this service enough. You can use any other one. So cancel the subscription. So I've cancelled the subscription. So let's check if this is going to work. Let's test this on WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp. I'm going to send it the message. Save my contacts. Okay. Hoetechhack. So yes, okay, my email is at gmail.com. Yes, So there it have saved the email and saved the email address. But remember, I did not save the email because we disabled the email. So for it to save the email, you have to enable it back. So guys, please, if you watch this video up to now, I believe you'll find a very big value in the video. So please subscribe, hit the thumbs up so that other people can be able to find such solution also. And then don't forget to share to other people that need it also. So thank you and God bless you.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you.